Some heavy metal Python fun for Iron Maiden fans, including myself and created by Joseph C. Richardson, github.com. Number of the Beast, Python program example. Written, lyrics, by Iron Maiden. You can create reverse text by typing a word or words. Next, execute, run the Python program, as shown in this Python video. Next, highlight and copy the reverse text words. Next, paste them back into your Python program. Be sure to use single, double or triple quote marks, as also shown in this Python video. Also shown is the use of the F string format, which makes string concatenation much easier. Here is a simple tip. Use triple quote marks to make text grammar programming much easier to create. After you observe this Python program example, let's start off with fresh text on how I did reverse text within the text programming part of this Python program example. You can create private messages to others using reverse text. Please subscribe if you like this video and my channel content about Python programming in general. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on two legs.